Learn tenses in English. Negative sentences. I did not go. I do not go. I will not go. He did not go. He does not go. He will not go. She did not go. She does not go. She will not go. We did not go. We do not go. We will not go. You did not go. You do not go. You will not go. They did not go. They do not go. They will not go. I did not come. I do not come. I will not come. He did not come. He does not come. He will not come. She did not come. She does not come. She will not come. We did not come. We do not come. We will not come. You did not come. You do not come. You will not come. They did not come. They do not come. They will not come. I did not eat. I do not eat. I will not eat. He did not eat. He does not eat. He will not eat. She did not eat. She does not eat. She will not eat. We did not eat. We do not eat. We will not eat. You did not eat. You do not eat. You will not eat. They did not eat. They do not eat. They will not eat. I did not tell. I do not tell. I will not tell. He did not tell. He does not tell. He will not tell. She did not tell. She does not tell. She will not tell. We did not tell. We do not tell. We will not tell. You did not tell. You do not tell. You will not tell. They did not tell. They do not tell. They will not tell. I did not work. I do not work. I will not work. He did not work. He does not work. He will not work. She did not work. She does not work. She will not work. We did not work. We do not work. We will not work. You did not work. You do not work. You will not work. They did not work. They do not work. They will not work. I did not say. I do not say. I will not say. He did not say. He does not say. He will not say. She did not say. She does not say. She will not say. We did not say. We do not say. We will not say. You did not say. You do not say. You will not say. They did not say. They do not say. They will not say.